Now welcome. My give a small bottle dance or normal routine before we start the show proper. My lance a small bottle dance here.
The other time.
Let's see.
Morning, my general.
Samuel Fall is watching revolutionary greetings. Now this say congrats 21 gun salutes. Ben Kema 21 gun salute, revolutionary greetings. When you come, you share, you hit the share button. We get plenty of people talk today. You hit the share button. The revolution is on track. We are 100% on track. No shaking. No shaking. We are 100% on track. John Maggie, welcome. Revolutionary greeting, comrade. I salute you wherever you did. Our humble Kemi Ashu confirms revolutionary greeting. You don't see how they just say me they unveil your identity. So now the good work you do for Ambarina, because if you do that good work, they know define your identity. We don't see how they enable us. Yeah, we go now share as nakam. Our comrade Kemi Ashu want appreciate you for your good work you do for the revolution, and we don't see enablers. They don't go out there, they cry, say me they give your identity. Whether if they give your identity, they will assassinate you for play with it. So keep on the good job, comrade. We share, we invite friends so that we get plenty for talk today, and the show will to be too long. It will contain plenty things the way we talk. We go talk plenty things them. So we come come share so that we invite friends. See revolutionary greetings. Now longer Sylvester 21 gun salute. Martin Joe revolutionary greetings always there. Labista Savok welcome bro revolutionary greetings 21 gun salute. Yeah, share, invite friends. Immediately after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, we start the presentation for today. Yeah. Now enable us because you will take, we'll see how if you think say we fight for the same struggle, for reach Boya, and then some people they fight, instead of fight for give a strategy how to fight La Republic, but some people that own strategy, they fight now how to get another ambassador and the way they support the struggle, for sabotage them, for show them La Republic. That's in short. Now they identify who be the real patriot for the revolution. Nikki watching revolutionary greetings. So when you come, you hit the share button so that we get some number, so that we start. Wait, we get that for today. We don't see the presentation for ABC yesterday. We get to elaborate on that. Then we get some black legend where we think say we get to tell our restoration fighters all over the 13 counties. Me they know what we get to do with the black legs. We don't condone with black legs anymore. We will talk about the teachers and doctors in the revolution, and we talk of the regional election where it take place in La Republic, where La Republic they try to put we part of the revolution, the regional election. La Republic they try to put we part of it where it concern them. Then we will talk of economic sabotage, when a part of the tool for our struggle. Then we will talk if for now we start use the RPGs, the local made RPGs, because we don't get intelligence on how we start to manufacture our own locally made RPGs, so that before we want to reach the level of purchase, we don't start hit the ground don't start hot. So we go talk that one. Yes. Yeah, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens of the revolution, once more, una good evening, wherever una dey in the Kingdom of Belgium. It's already past 7 p.m. and ground zero. We get the same time with we. I want to throw salute for all man where they watch me now, and for people that will watch the show after this. We were people there for ground zero where they ever watch after this, and some people they watch for ground zero. I want to tell you when I say revolutionary greetings, and when I stay focused, the revolution they on track. No way. La Republic, they don't their last card, they don't bust their last card. No way, no way, they will succeed. Now, I will first go for the black leg, then for this revolution. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, when it comes to black leg for this revolution, we will not get for pity black leg. The why reason why I still emphasize this issue of black leg, I don't talk and I will talk like this. Our comrade, he divert go different sides where they ever say call me everywhere. If you live and screenshot my video, you wanna put them for international body, you wanna put them anywhere. I don't talk say we need to condone with black leg. When you catch a black leg, you not even need to catch a black leg. I want an invest. When I talk sometimes, I invest over. When I invest in the diaspora, I'm not supposed for the invest with our restoration for fighters from ground zero. Any people that deal with our restoration fighters, if we not get the hats, I mean the chairs, the security chairs of LGAs, if we not get the hats, we not screenshot this my video, this part where I will talk, give on fighters. If we not get the hat to talk with you, I want to talk. We not screenshot and send for our fighters. We will not support the vex with our fight diasporas for saying they need to contribute. They will be vexed with our fighters. And they over vex with our restoration fighters because they over be too patient. They over be too lenient. We never hear against say arrest black leg. 1 year na say rest in peace. We not arrest black leg for call and go side. We not get prison. Why we not worry we not self? Why we not make away when we not arrest person? Military side follow una. Una hear say this. They start disclosing una calm them. Why? Why? Sorry. So a word to our restoration fighters. For now, no more arrests. We be activists. We the only talk. People they will give us advice. Because we be activists, we the talk for the whole Ambazonian. But people they will talk for Fako County, Meza County, this, or LGS. But we will be activists. We give our opinion. We share our opinion. Because we see the way the revolution will go. I want to tell our fighter, they say, the chairs and the chairs for county and LGAs, what way we activists with the Siam, plenty of the need Siam. And tell our ambassador, what way we activists with the Siam every day. Even I don't think some people will cabinet in the getter because we were there for nearly all forum. When you look my phone, you start now groups. I mean my phone. Now only various groups them. What an information where we get that for fighters of a dam in an all man get that. You see my phone now inbox. These fighters they riding for ground zero. They tell we and they update we the state of the revolution because they see we like people the way they fit channel that information to the appropriate quarter. I want to tell our restoration forces. When I see what the phone of Bancon it do. When I see what the phone of Sok it do, and the other phone them and chiefs, where they don't declare, say they be persona non grata for Ambazonian revolution. And you vex with una. And not only that part. Not only that part that they make an vex with una restoration forces. Not only that part they make an vex with una. Apart of that part, now they 100% for my liking. But una they will that the part where they talk so say una over pamper restoration black leg. Una the over pamper black leg. I want to tell Ambazonian people una look something. Minute to go invade Dieni for Ndian County. Minute to go invade Dieni, he bought houses for the he killed 5 civilians. When I look Dieni well, any man know Dieni. Sorry. Any man know Dieni well. Dieni is a typical village. Where before you have to go there, it's not easy. The people with Dieni, they don't even get access to network. Not talking of supporting the revolution for social media. I want to ask Ambazonian people, say, what will be this village, Dieni and Bekondo village? What will be that crime when they do about the Republic? Who will tell me that crime? Because we talk say, yes, some village they get network, and they promote terrorism, and they do this according to the Republic. What if the village where they do suburb? That crime when they do about the Republic. And then me and you who got shot for here. They kill people, kill civilians, burn their houses, destroy their property, and then when we catch person where now the work military for kill our people, the Ambazonian people cry on social media saying we pamper them. Hey, my God, Ambazonian people cry. What about that man where this man where they catch him in Mecca? They burn the whole village. Ma tell you something. Before military want go for any village, now person in contact military. When military reach some village, burn the whole other village, kill people, no say not in a group of people, the accountability. Now one man don't send information for military say other Amber boys our racial fighters they there for that village. The military will invade the village. And then now when military invade the village, it will burn the whole village, kill innocent civilians. Then when we now can succeed, we get that man. When we give that information for military, and Brazilian people go on social media and cry. I don't talk say time don't reach where we're going to kill our own. We need the pamper for the revolution. Now war we did. Except say we talk say we need the fight war. Time don't reach where we will go to start fight our own. If we not fight our own, it go, the revolution will worry we. If we not start for our own, the revolution will worry we. My tell you no story where some girl call me money time. He tell you I gave me a chat for ground zero. He tell me after about 4 days I didn't hear for you. Now today he can write me. I say how he also. He tell me say our restoration force they be arrested. I say what happened? He say for night he come out say me go off their meter around 10 p.m. In 1 year they tell say me he come. Our fighters they tell say me he come. He follow. They carry you go for interrogation. I said the BT, he said no, they don't BT. But it be for them for 4 days. I said they do anything, he said they don't do it, no nothing. They said they will be for them for 4 days for interrogation. I actually said what it be a crime. I want to give some people the advice, now listen to this story. Fine. I actually say what it be a crime. Where our restoration forces they go can arrest you. He say someday if they onto Okada. If they onto Okada, some number call you say there be restoration forces, they want me to support the struggle. He talk say he cause them and he use a very harsh tone. And he talk say una define that. Say if you recall any number, so if you give him number for military can track una, no me die, you go die. Say if you give him number for military, he said don't talk as the clown. When the Okada guy will be carrying, he actually say, now which person that way he talk so with very harsh to the coach so. He said no, the useless amber them. Where so one of the call say me give money, this. If he play now, if he give a number for military, they go kill them. They have the feed. He talk say that guy on top Okada just smile. He say, hey, that guy don't smile. The guy don't reply anything. I want to talk for ambassador people. When I know say our social forces they all sides. That guy will smile on top Okada, and the guy tell me say confidentially, he know say now one of them. So I want to tell Black Leg, say you not be free. You not be free. The whole Ambazonian now restoration forces. So if you think say some people in the way na this, the intermission play with the Kakipi for Bamenda for one at Tangulu site. Now he tell me and even know say some quarter he dey inside Bamenda where military pass na Amba they won't go. Now Amba they govern that part of the night. Say military pass tonight for quarter that day. He tell me say that area every military pass. So I want to give now a word of advice. Your mob so it will put you for trouble. If you need support the trouble, stay quiet. Stay quiet. Leave people the way they believe in the struggle, in the fight. Even if you tell your neighbor, say that useless amber them. Your neighbor, na amber. You go even for military, you go report for military saying na amber this. Some military them, na amber. So you not be safe. Black Leg them will not be safe. Who say you go get your information? You even go for commissioner of police. You go report Amber. That commissioner of police, na spy. Where it don't deal with the government, na Amber. So, black leg, una will be very careful. And no tolerance. No, we need to tolerate black leg. You catch black leg, finish with you. Destroy their properties. Now, another way to deal with black leg, especially the black leg, the way we don't know it, they don't officially declare themselves, and then they work with the Republic, then now they get security, we will not near them. We don't need over waste time for the fight them. Angwafo with the Pekin, they don't stand for personal non-grata for Ambazonian, and all the phone they are named there for that list. I want to tell our restoration fighter something. We never was target any man with the control that property. They will step down. Any man now look for Angwafo the property. They will get a Bamenda. When I look the phone on so the properties they will get them for so. When I go for southern zone, the children when I look their properties they will get them because most of them they will run go be Yaoundé. Most of them they will run go Yaoundé, and when they run go Yaoundé, La Republique not be pay them that way. They still realize they still depend on their property the way they don't they wait for Ambazonian. So we will start cut their root them. Where the dig palm tree for 4 or the dig tree for you must start cut the root them. You start cut the root them. When not cut the root them, the fibrous root them. When not cut the fibrous root them all, you will go put another tap root. You know if you just skip, go to the tap root where you never felt destroy the fibrous root them. So now we will start their properties identified. If we for Angwafo we get any company for Bamenda, that company give will be close. Otherwise, they work as they work with that company, they be accountable for. If you get farms, that farm they will stand whole because that farm it belongs to Ambazonian. If you get cows, that cows they will use them or destroy everything. We're going to destroy and rebuild. La Republic they bomb our houses every day. They will keep their own houses. La Republic they destroy our properties every day. The day we say they be ready, they will the pamper this enable their own properties. I say, I want to ask our restoration forces, and you think talking about that. When I think say this part they bomb their houses then they hear say Angwafo don't do this Angwafo. If you say they be happy, they not be happy. But I say La Republic burn any villages. We not burn enable their houses, so that we all man for Ambazonian we be homeless. Why we give for the pamper enablers? Why we give for pampers enablers? We give for backup. We give for backup, especially the cheap enablers. See, we give a blood for blood here. See, I'm going for a Pekin, you know, pass me for here. I'm going for a Pekin, no pass any Ambazonian. I'm going for a Pekin. I know, they will go market go buy. They the worker. When I'm over target, now only the papa, when I start move the tap root them, the pain. When we succeed one, you will use it to have a fall and shock die. Yet they Yaoundé go green. We get make Yaoundé panic. We get make Yaoundé me no say we be ready. We get make the people me no say we be ready to the task. We be aggressive. We fight the war. La Republique ici nous laisser the clown. So I think say that one we don't talk about the enablers. I don't care. Say I use hash tone. We say me they kill people. Me they kill enablers. La République kiwi. La République va cacher some we liver. La République va cacher any what of we liver. So I think say our restoration forces they go hear me. Now we go for teachers and doctors for the revolution. We don't notice I say Ambazonian people them they like grammar and most of them are doctor disease. I want to tell people the way when I post they can't talk English. I want to tell them say I don't be English master. Me for here. I don't be English master. You ain't not say you know English very well. Go UK. You never ground zero. You can't write to people that are this is so one in the way you don't see them. They don't bleach skin. They like food for bush fowl. Now I see food for bush fowl. They don't bleach skin. They like food for bush fowl. I want to talk for ambassador to say me. Down at English, the way I don't go learn, when I go do literature, history, wait. Now how it help the revolution? I want to ask the doctors, people don't go do literature, this is doctor, what did it help? How did it help the revolution? I did cafe for my way do medical fee, get doctor. My way do social business field, get doctor. Now people in that way they impact something for the society. That one they don't go do literature history. Now they can't fool with for Amazonia. They can't broke big grammar them. We know impact. Big grammar there you know to implement. And the post so when they can write this is articulate English, this is and then they very so when they write the English say Mr. Perry I say wow. You correct another man then their own words even pass. When I read my profile well, I don't go UB. I don't go UB. I go to private university, very expensive. Some that all money pay money for private university. Yes. When I read my profile very well. I don't come for here na true water. I come here for true school. So some when I think say na only grammar must carry Amazonia to boy on a fool on self. I don't come here at true water. I come here at true school. True school. I get degree for marketing. Now ask my classmates the way we write HND. So when I even advanced level or ordinary level self, I never feel the tension for write exam. The tension for write exam, so when I never feel them. Now I don't learn small English, can fail do the main noise when I need support the revolution. Ordinary level you know right, advanced level you know right. We will get HND. We get HND. You must write. HND not like a biscuit. You must write under tension before you go get degree. So when I think say if we come here talk pidgin, then when I want to say we talk right perfect grammar. What is perfect grammar help now the revolution? People also write perfect grammar. Front chat they endele all them. They don't write perfect grammar. I am children. They broke grammar for they. What you don't change the revolution? When I see our local boys they fight for them, now people that they use intelligence. Our boys they get intelligence every day. How to manufacture this? How to do this? When I hear somebody they call free marshal, say you know go school. Free marshal, when I see what free marshal they do, you know pass people that go school will get a doctorate degree. I want to talk about some people say free marshal no go school. Yes, you know go school. In common sense and some knowledge when you get them, he use them together, blend them. He come up with something where Ambassador will be proud today. He come out with the say before the ones that blow ammo car, before one get material, we start hit ammo car. Now free marshal intelligence. Even I can we go
military training, he not get that intelligence for way to a free marshal producer. Les Français, free marshal produce les Français. What you were, you will study English, literature, which kind of knowledge or which kind of thing you feel impact will benefit the whole society. Better for we will do business, yes. Have you draw a business plan? Have you draw a business plan if you help the entire society, bring companies, teach them how to do? What you with language? Una the key for Facebook, alternate grammar. Una go UK no. Another ever say they ever give scholarship for person way you get it, say you can't take they give citizenship for UK, say you be best English grammar speaking way. Una let people that bullshit. Now that you make a me the restoration fighter for Grand Zero, they think say na grammar or na this na can control them. All man be equal. Your language without war. Now when I see Arab them, the Arab they will Chinese them. Then you progress. We will never back. We learn English. You never back. You learn English. So my own bleach. Come on, back to boy. I know. I said people want just feel with you and I don't like expose people. He don't bleach. He don't like kind for 50-something years. He see talk future. He see talk future. Wait, future. If future don't ever play waste time. You can't talk to people they fight for revolution. You can't talk to people they fight for revolution. Where Arab they progress, China they progress. We will learn English. Wait, una member say Arab them. They don't even know how to talk English well. They don't know how to talk English well, but they know how to manipulate. Get where they want them. Get what we want them. Our people they run all. That small guy that don't go down for Dubai. That small guy that an Arab country. Arab they not go to school, but now we that way we fight. Go down for Arab country. We don't go fight. Go down for Arab country. Now grammar, he never mop. Now grammar, they need chop grammar. Now Arab in that, they make things that happen. We will then a Bible. Some people don't own a Bible. Other grammar and Bible. We go to change our mentality. For no say we go to be a practical people. We go to thing for making them. You sleep in your bed as a revolutionary fighter. That thing. Go for YouTube. Think how if you blend sodium nitrate and this, potassium nitrate and this, for say if you give which reaction for kill a republic, for do this. I think that was supposed to think. No na grammar for Facebook. No na grammar. We don't hear grammar. Dr. Ebenezer and all the Makwanga na grammar. It don't change. It never change. So, fellow ambassadors, we will stop this issue of English. I don't even care when I write my post. I don't even care what the English correct. I don't even I say when the people understand what way I mean for talk. Yeah, me don't reach people, and I want to say when you assimilate the way to the talk, you understand. That's perfectly. If you want video, I will write a pidgin where you feel you understand them, or I put an audio if you understand them. Now my main objective that I was look at English language when I don't be national TV way, international body, the one can check or wait. I be independent activist and I talk for PG. So I get backings. Yeah. So now that one will take we now to the regional election where La République de Congo for our territory. We see we watch Chris Anu, the lion voice of the revolution. We see he articulates everything, he elaborates. That presentation for Chris Anu, any man will be watch that show. If you don't say you don't feel, tears not run down for your eyes. Some people they will tears hard for come out, but you will cry for heart, like man picking. You will cry for heart, like man picking. If you be watch that presentation with Chris Anu, you know say La République, if we not fight the war, we don't die. If you watch that presentation of Chris Anu, you know say if we not step up our game for bring La Republic for the negotiation table, or we don't go. Our people that need support the struggle. You now don't support. They go for Bekon, they go born house, they don't choose. They go for DN, they go born house, they don't choose. They go outside, La Republic military go outside, they the key, they need to choose. So if you support the struggle, you not support La Republic, the key, all man. All man. Our chiefs and funds, them, they don't finally endorse our slavery, but we reject them. The regional election will pass, and our funds them, they go sign. Indirectly, they decide for La Republic for endorse the assimilation, for feeling we all of wipe our culture. That means say the people the way we think say they will talk in our behalf, they don't betray we. And as people understand, the funds and the chiefs, where we think say they will talk in our behalf, they don't betray we at all. But one thing, be assured, say, we go win this revolution, and all the chiefs the way they do that act, they remember Yaoundé, now all that. La Republic is strategy. Now for wipe all our culture. La Republic is strategy. Now for engulf all our resources. La Republic is strategy. Now we say for bring divide and rule among us and infiltrate us and finish with us. But now, which way I can talk for the funds the way they don't go endorse their signature. I want first of all, before I want talk about that endorsement of that signature, the interim government of the Federal Republic of Ambazonian, leading by His Excellency Dr. Samuel Ekome Sako, rejects all the funds them. Let me say, I want to tell Ambazonian now, we don't get no fund and chiefs. Nah. We don't give any person where they represent any people for Ground Zero. So any fund where you go sign that in, he sign that signature now, here your family. And time will reach, ye and your family will pay for. And Brazilian people as of now don't recognize any fund, even for Angwafo and all the like. If you are talking so, your family they can't affect local make noise. But when I be few, and Brazilian will do 8 million. When I know fit. When I know fit. When I remember say, after the Second World War, French people they impose warrant chief them. And some chiefs they will lost their throne. After they be partition Cameroon. As well as after the war, some chiefs they were their throne. Their generation no fit even pass 100 kilometers around that periphery. Muna say we. Muna be say we. You know finish am. When I remember say Muna be say we for La Republic, you know finish am. Nah. They found they don't come now for finish we. Finish the business way. Muna level incomplete. Now, the fund they don't come endorse the business. I will see another fund. That fund where when I say for that video, I beg me that video is a restoration fighter. We will track that fund, find his family, his property. That fund where he made that video, I beg, me that video be a record. Me that video, it be for record. We go track down all them, one after another. They don't go unpunished. We feel when I talk so sometimes, the phone of so if I see if he see state, sometimes why you say don't die? The phone of Angwako. Sometimes why you say you don't die, but their generation, they'll pay for it. Except say one of them, they come, they denounce, say they not be in support for what you do, and you endorse the revolutionary struggle of Ambassador, then you pay the support before if you go free. But as far as you will be silenced, it means say that the endorse what you Papa they do, and the crime will follow all the generation. Do you want to be joke? If you want to talk, so I talk say social media wait. Now social media, yes, we agree. We agree on social media. I wish you can't touch you say we talk say social media, but we implement decision. Social media implement decision. Social media implement both down. Social media implement both the lockdown. Social media give information. When they arrest una family, una call on social media. But that way, one talk, una say we talk about social media. But when anything they happen, una call on social media. No, good and fine. Good and fine. Good and fine. But at the time they found it, where they don't endorse that signature, say they don't finally say we for the Republic, for their personal interest, for them and their family. Okay, we deal with them. I don't even need for over talk about the listen. But anymore when they be watch a presentation of Chris Anu, I beg go watch them. Go watch the presentation of Chris Anu. If you not change your mind, you will not be support. If you not change your mind, you say no, enough is enough. I beg. I know go talk here. Any man, because if I talk sometimes, I know talk fine. I know talk fine. You go watch the presentation of Chris Anu about the regional election. If you don't support this struggle, I'll see what your mind will change. Now we will go for economic sabotage. Yes, I don't talk am again. I be talking about another show. Say, make we not forget again and again. Say economic sabotage. Now one of the tools the way we go for use them for fight this war, and now one of the tools where it goes successfully for this revolution. I don't talk our fighters. I don't tell you I say our citizens don't need to pay taxes, any taxes for the Republic. And when I get away from implementing that decision, when I get to tell the workers the way the worker collect tax, tax collector will market, the worker the way they can't reach on a bill. Now the people in that, we don't need to go the target offices because military they guide all the offices. But as worker can't reach on a bill for quarter, you hold it. Now the people in that. We don't give economic sabotage for La Republic. La Republic is built now. And because of economic sabotage, we will not forget. We will not forget, say, Sonora, CDC, Pamol. Now, one of the highest investment that we give money to La Republic. As we stop it down, La Republic is built. And we will not relent our effort for say we don't end in that light. Any that company where anything like tax it happen for Ambassador, we get to stop them. And the method that will stop them. We will not be go attack the head office for Sonne for CDC, the head office for PAMO. We be attack na the workers. We stop the workers. So what I be that the mayor for why I seen a Bamenda he can make that noise. Now, because we never start act. When we start act for the councillors, when we start act for the councillors, then they can't collect tax ticket. See, military not be guide all councillors. That one be facts. Military not be guide all councillors. And any councillors who ever go in for the election, you never die. As they will be killed, they will come the Mbengui. Good. And the thing that one year, that way no come out go vote. We never be here saying arrest. Damn, where say rest in peace. Good, fine. The councillors them when mayor they make noise Now because he knows the councillor is there around you. Yes. But we'll stop the councillors. May you know, make noise. When I give me 2 examples, just catch 2 councillors, 3. The other councillor don't go. Just 2 or 3 councillors, the other one don't go. 3 or 2 sonnet workers, the other one they don't go. We get for reinvest again for economic sabotage. We don't think say as we stop promoting this. La Republic you see get small money. You see get small money. We get for finish with them. So talk as far as the economic sabotage be concerned. Then RPG, we don't get intelligence, very confirmed intelligence. We don't say as of the crisis RPG people all mind now RPG. I don't feel like now. Yes, all man. You talk about people now only RPG. I will define methods for RPG for enter. We know what the Republic say. We see come for prepare war for the Republic. We never start war for the Republic. We never start. La Republic just the boy beats we can do. They all side now for the BLM, Fue Bakundu, Jenny, all side. They did now say they will trap our resistance forces so that their papa, the old dog, he will give a good New Year's speech for say things don't be calm, but they lie themselves. We don't get intelligence. How will we make RPG and we advise all ambassadors say we will join hands in that project for see say locally make Phoebe while we the hope on the experience own. We fit start, now we start with explosive and did this. We fit start in that domain. And you see there ambassador people, I see giving a hopes. So the revolution they on track 100%. It never shake. RPG, I get on the table now. We don't need to talk much. We don't want to talk much on the RPG. But we emphasize now the game changer for the revolution. RPG now the game changer. But nevertheless, we still work on ground to see if really we feel do our local remit. I be activist. I don't be security, any man. I don't belong to any post for ambassador. But I talk like activist for the 13 counties and 61 LGAs for ambassador. So I need to talk as reveal some intelligence or security. No, I talk and sell the information so that all the 13 county they will buy the idea and plenty they also work in that light. So I sell information. So because for go all the 30 countries be very difficult, but I think say when we talk about Facebook, so we talk so most of them they watch, they get information. We know say activists we get over here Katokam. We listen over here Katokam. So country they be very powerful. So country they not be powerful. So when we get intelligence for the county, we can talk them. We take this one, we talk them, so we blame it. That's so we get for work for the struggle. So I think say in the light, I no go waste most of my time. I want again appreciate and salute all the ambassadors all over the world where they support this revolution and they be committed to the world draft. I tell you when I say the world draft can't stay and the world draft will take me to our destination. When I go complete when I draft ABC, the wait. Thank you very much for watching and when I stay blessed.